When a child smiles, it's like the whole world lights up around them. There's something infectious about that. The innocent joy they feel from the simplest of experiences reminds us of our own childhoods, memories of a world full of excitement and novelty. When that joy and innocence are suffocated by abuse, it is often replaced by anger, doubt, and fear. For a child who suffers through cruelty and neglect, childhood holds very little wonder, only heartbreak. When it comes to helping abused children, you may not picture this, but in Mesquite, Nevada, it's the biker community that's making a huge difference for kids in need.
There's a lot of people that stereotype bikers, and you'd be amazed at the kind-hearted, soft-hearted people there are in the biker community. We care about our kids. We're willing to make a difference and do what we can.
This is our annual Keepers Rally for Bikers Against Child Abuse. We've done this every year for about 8 years, giving a bike away, just raising money for awareness against child abuse.
What we're here for are for the kids. We're here to support them and help them in any way we can.
What began in 1995 as a way to help protect abused children, Bikers Against Child Abuse, more commonly known as BACA, has grown into an international organization. BACA invites bikers of all types to come together to enjoy the street riding they love while earning money to support mistreated kids. Held out of a Mesquite casino, this event features rides through the Valley of Fire State Park and games where bikers put their skills to the test to garner a few more dollars for the cause.
This morning we've got a poker run that's going on. I anticipate 100 to maybe 150 bikes showing up this morning. What they'll do is they'll go to 5 different stops. We're going through Valley of Fire. They've been awesome to donate all the entrance fees to BACA.
100% of the money goes to help abused kids for therapy, whether it's actual therapy or we get kids karate lessons if that helps empower kids or whatever it is.
The opportunity to ride and the money earned are only part of this riding event. For most BACA members, the cause goes beyond just having fun in the outdoors or opening their wallets. It's personal.
It's amazing. These kids, they start out scared as can be. From the first time we see them, they're scared to come out of the door. They're scared of life, they're scared of everything. And then after a few different visits, I can't get my kickstand down fast enough because they're wanting to come and jump on the bike. I mean, they get it. They know we're there and we do what we say we're gonna do.
I've decided that this is what I want to do. I want to help these kids try to get back to somewhat normal. If they need help, get out there and help them any way I can. And that's mostly just what my idea of trying to get these kids back to a normal life.
BACA events are held all across the country, with club chapters in 47 states and multiple other countries. All motorcyclists are invited to come to events regardless of membership to ride the back roads of the U.S. and help abused children. You might not expect a tough, leather-clad biker to be able to bring a smile to a child's face. But that is exactly what Bikers Against Child Abuse is all about.
We actually help the kid by getting into their lives. We bring them into our family, a united organization, let them know we're here, we've got their back, we'll do whatever it takes to stop further abuse.
From the trailhead, I'm Shelley Osterloh.